Hello guys, today point what kind of money are we talking about? We touch this the question first because many of the prospects looking for US company the registration are vaguely aware of the cost that involves in the launching a US business. Initially investment it is the crucial to the understand that is the formal the company then register is the only or the small part of the budget needed for launching your the use business is the depending on the state of the registration entity tap and the specify business needs or the registration cost can run from a the little as $300 to as high as $1,000, and the over on average our European clients spend between the $377 and to $700 on registration formalities. Then there is the question for the banking and the for many the entrepreneurs also the question for the merchant account what many the confusing refers to the payments the gateway we the discussion both the further in these articles. But if we consider we considering consider the the option of the traveling to the US in the order to open the bank account or using a managed service you should prepare and the additional budget of $2,000 minimum be the with about half of it to be spent on the fees and the rest to be the kept as the balance in the account. To the summarize the proper the company register only register only a US bank account bank account bank account prepare either budget of 377 to $700. Keep in mind this is the just the initial investment that needed to the properly the set up the company your business would need more the money for the actual business active, so make the sure the take into the consideration when the preparing your startup budget. Running cost beside initially the investment your the would be the monthly and the annual the cost that related to especially to the maintaining the your company, or if you the plan in the lanes of the US address expect to pay between the $20 to $99 each the month. We offer our the on the professional solution called the MY MYUS office that office that office that offer the address for as low of 299 a year. Another is the requiring the cost. It is the cost of the register the agent the service the we provides it for a competitive $99 a year. Banking would be the cost of another the $20 to $100 a month. In the bank fees is the management fees if you opt for managed bank account service. Most state the have the requiring the maintenance the fees tax and is the reports. For example, Wyoming has the annual the report of the $52 while the deliver has the franchise tax in the LLC and 300 in the year, and both the annual report and franchise tax for the corporation the calculating the based on the sum formula. Some the states have annual the fees, but it's rare. And finally the depending on your company is structure and the activity might be the required to the file annual tax return and is the sum the cases the pay taxes the which is the means your the needs the higher the service of CPA certificates public content and the mobile the even is the bookkeeper the filling simple tax the return should do not cost more than 300 to 500. However, more complex the cases the would result in the higher cost. Keep in the mind in the some cases you as the owner would needs to obtain the individual tax in the ID number the ITIN editing the another $300 to $400 per partner, but 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 it is a one time the cost. Conclusive, before the launching the your the business you the should plan your budget carefully. The many the clients makes the mistakes of the hoping that some of the initially and the running cost will be offset by the first clients they are counting on the acquiring, but you should never build your business on hope. Cold blooded calculation proved to be a more reliable tool in business. We recommended the preparing in the settings the site the specific sum that is the would be the keep your business running a year without is any income whatsoever. In case of the US business, setting aside the $4,000 to $8,000 would go a long way the ensure your business is the properly set up and the funded for a year, giving you the necessary peace of mind to develop your product and customer base. Thank you for watching this video. The next video, what does it take to form a US company? Thank you.